adapters. Adapters are building classes that bind data to views, such as list views, used in user interface. The adapter is responsible for creating a child views used to represent each item within the parent view and providing access to the underlying data. Views that support an adapter binding must extend the adapter view abstract class. We have two useful native adapters. Array adapter. The array adapter uses generics to bind an adapter view to an array of objects of the specified class. By default, the array adapter uses the toString value of each object in the array to create and populate text views. We have one more adapter called simple cursor adapter that attaches view specified within a layout to a column of cursors written from content providers. Basically, it's more used for storage-based mechanisms. So we will focus more on array adapter. So this is a simple list view program. So you can see that we are calling r.array.fruit_array. So here it is. We have defined this array in string.xml. So we have a string array called fruit array, in which we have defined all the name of the fruits. We then load the string resources into array by using a string array by get resources.get string array. We are now using setlist adapter. The idea of using setlist adapter is to bind the adapter to your list. So you can see that we have a layout called r.layout.fruit_item. This layout decides that how the components will you will view the components. So you can see that we just have a text view, in which text size is 14 points and it's fill parent. So this is the way, and we have set the title as normal list view. So this is the way we define a simple list adapter. Now we will come to grid view. Before that, there is one more program for you. It's an icon-based list view. Developers ask a lot of time that how to create an icon-based list. So this is called a custom list view by extending an adapter. So what we have done that we have called my custom adapter class. So let me run this program for you. So this is our my custom adapter. So we are extending a base adapter class, which is super class of all adapters, and we are using a get view. So you can see that we have created a layout inflator. So and by using an inflator, we are inflating a view with the main.xml r.layout.main. Here we are defining a custom adapter. So we have defined a fruit array, and in which we have defined a labeled as text view and then an image view. So you can see the output that we have one image and one text view. So whenever you need to, you can see that we have one image view and one text view. So whenever you need to create more than one views in a list, you have to use custom adapter. I would like to show some screens as example to you. So this is one program in which we have one image view and two text views. So what we have done that here we just created a simple list view and icon-based list view, and the custom adapter we have got a image view, and then in a linear layout we created two text views in vertical format. Another example is this. So you can see there are 4 components, 2 image views, one is this, second one is this, and 2 text views. So again we have just used a image view and then a linear layout based structure, and arranging the components first in horizontal format and then vertical format. We have also based a choice. As you can see that we have the layouts in on one, and this image comes in the first and third list. This is one of the major app, TripAdvisor. It's a famous app on Android market. So you can see that we have this text views, and then we can arrange them in, by using linear layout and relative layouts, and we can easily develop them. So next in the series is expandable list view. Now expandable list view is that sometimes what happens that you need to create a list within a list. So for this we have expandable list view. What we have to do, just we need to extend the expandable list activity class for this, and we have a special adapter called base expandable list adapter. We have to define 2 arrays. In the first array we have to name the parent list. So you can see this is a parent list, people names, dog names, cat names, and then we can just and this is a second list. So we can just create a one hierarchy based list. We can't have a list hierarchy from more than one. In the second array you can see that we have all the children's. So this program is similar to our previous program. Only difference is that we have get child view and get group view. In the child view we have our child views arranged, and in a group view we are arranging our text our group views. So that's all about list view and expandable list view. Now I would like to show you that how to create a grid. So this is a typical example of grid view, in which you are using just a grid view class and basic, and you setting the by using and set adapter. So you have a custom adapter class in which we are just defining adapter. Same way, defining a list view and grid view is somewhat similar. So you can see just we define an image view, and we can just make a grid view very easily. We just need to define a simple adapter, and again we are just calling an array from get resources. So this is our program. So you can see that we have a series of images and some text below it. So we have covered